Top 5 spooky space mysteries that'll give you chills. Space. It's vast, beautiful, and utterly terrifying. For centuries, humans have looked up at the shimmering night sky in awe, but that curiosity came with questions. Questions that remain unanswered. The more we learn about the universe, the more we are confronted with mysteries that defy explanation. Buckle up, mystery lovers. Today, we're diving into 5 chilling space mysteries that will send shivers down your spine. Let's uncover the unknown where science meets the supernatural. Our first mystery takes us back to a warm summer evening in August 1977. Astronomer Jerry Amon was scanning radio waves from deep space using Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope when something impossible happened. A mysterious 72-second transmission appeared, loud, clear, and unrepeatable. It came from the Sagittarius constellation, but no one, not even Amon himself, could identify its source. He circled the reading on the data printout in red pen and wrote a single word beside it. Wow! Was it just a cosmic fluke? Or could it have been a message from another civilization trying to make contact? Scientists have tried for decades to track down its origin, but the signal never returned. Some claim it could have been a passing comet, while others staunchly believe it was an alien hello from across the void. The question lingers, are we the only ones out here? Or is someone or something waiting for us to answer that cosmic call? Until we know for certain, the wow signal remains one of the most spine-chilling mysteries of the cosmos. Our second mystery travels back to the early days of the space race, a time shrouded in both excitement and secrecy. The year was 1961. Yuri Gagarin had just become the first man to orbit the Earth, cementing the Soviet Union's lead in the space race, but not everyone believed the narrative was so simple. Rumors began to surface, suggesting Yuri might not have been the first Soviet astronaut in space. These whispers spoke of the lost cosmonauts, doomed astronauts whose missions ended in failure and death, erased by the Soviet government to maintain their perfect record. The story darkened in 1960, when 2 Italian radio operators claimed to have intercepted eerie transmissions of cosmonauts crying out for help. Astronauts who were never officially acknowledged. The Soviet Union denied the allegations, dismissing these stories as fabrications. But why the silence? Could these heroes have met tragic ends in forgotten corners of the cosmos? Though historians debunk much of the urban legend, classified Soviet documents leave enough gaps to keep the mystery alive. For now, the lost cosmonauts remain specters of the space race, a haunting question buried in history. In 2017, astronomers spotted an object unlike anything ever seen before. Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to enter our solar system, raced toward the sun before veering off in a way no natural object should. Shaped like a long cigar and tumbling through space, this visitor baffled scientists worldwide. Its trajectory and unexpected acceleration defied everything we knew about meteorites and comets. Was it really just a rock thrown our way from another star system? Or could it have been something more? Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb reignited this mystery when he proposed Oumuamua might be an alien probe sent to observe us, a cosmic surveillance device, perhaps. While many scientists scoff at the idea, the shape and motion of Oumuamua remain highly unusual. Without sufficient data, Oumuamua left our solar system, and with it, the answers we sought. But the frightening allure of this mystery lingers. Did we just miss out on a first encounter? Or is something somewhere still watching? The fourth entry on our list doesn't just defy explanation, it challenges the very limits of what we know about the universe itself. Imagine billions of stars, entire galaxies even, moving in unison at unbelievable speeds. This phenomenon is called dark flow, and scientists have no idea what's causing it or where it's going. First observed in 2008, dark flow refers to the gravitational drag that appears to be pulling massive regions of space toward an unseen force beyond the edge of our observable universe. This force defies the rules of physics as we understand them, almost as if something immense and incomprehensible is lurking just out of sight. Could it be a massive structure, an alternate universe, or something even darker? The fact that dark flow operates on such a massive scale should be comforting, unless you stop to think about what could be pulling galaxies away from us. What power exists beyond the limits of what we can observe? This invisible cosmic wraith remains one of the most chilling questions about the universe. Perhaps we're not ready for the answer. Our final mystery takes us deep into the heart of the universe itself. Deep in the southern sky lies a mysterious zone astronomers call the Great Attractor. It's not a celestial object that we can see or study directly. Instead, we know it's there because of its gravitational pull, one so immense that it's dragging hundreds of galaxies, including our own Milky Way, toward it at breakneck speeds. The problem? Scientists still don't know what it is. Hidden behind the dense, dusty regions of the Milky Way, the Great Attractor exerts its influence from the shadows, operating on a scale beyond ordinary comprehension. Some theories suggest it's an unusually dense cluster of galaxies. Others speculate it might be something entirely unknown to modern science, an exotic entity from a realm we can't yet perceive. The thought of an invisible colossus consuming galaxies makes the Great Attractor one of the most haunting enigmas in the cosmos. It serves as a silent reminder that the universe can be as menacing as it is majestic. As we've unraveled these chilling mysteries, one thing becomes abundantly clear. Space holds secrets far beyond the grasp of human understanding. The WOW, Signal, the lost cosmonauts, Oumuamua, Dark Flow, and the Great Attractor represent not just scientific questions, but also the haunting unknown, where curiosity and fear overlap. Each of these stories provokes the same uncomfortable question. What if space isn't just science, it's mystery? What if the universe holds forces we might never understand? As we continue to explore the cosmos, we risk encountering phenomena that don't just challenge our knowledge, but ignite our deepest fears. Which of these mysteries gave you chills? Perhaps you've been pondering your own theories. Drop them in the comments below. Until then, stay curious, stay brave, and remember, the universe is vast, and we've barely scratched the surface of its secrets. Keep your eyes to the sky. You never know what's watching back.